शो। आप पीछे देख सकते हैं ये तो गाइस अब हम आ गए हैं अंदर।
ऐसे करो, ऐसे करो।
तो गाइस ये है बर्ड शो। तो गाइस अब आ गए हैं टूटू पैरेट। ये अपने आप गया है।
अब बुलाइए, अब बुलाइए।
एक तो आ गया है मगर दूसरा आने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहा। आ गया आ गया। वाह, it's very beautiful.
Hello my friends, this is MC Firas with you, my partner DJ Sam. Now we and you, we will welcome the blue yellow macaws, the third largest macaws, Hiba and Adele. Hello Hiba. Hello Adele. ثالث أكبر مكاو بالعالم الأزرق والأصفر. largest one is the hyacinth, dark blue macaw. أكبر مكاو بالعالم هو الهايسن أو الأزرق الدايم, dark blue macaw. Now we will meet another bird. He have a message عنده رسالة يلقاها. Let's welcome Jane with awesome trainer Mariam. Adele was there. WELCOME. Welcome everybody. Come on, raise a flag if you're up. رفع علم الإمارات العربية المتحدة. Full love and respect. كل المحبة والاحترام. Thank you Mariam. Thank you Jane. African Mariam, sorry. Big Galacacatu with Odin, Blue Yellow Macaw with Ronnie. T-shirt boys.
Clap,
Come on,
clap,
everybody.
clap, 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 clap.
Yeah, come on. Go. Chicken to the baby, chicken to the way, from north to south, they are the best. I love you smiling. All right, thank you Ronnie, thank you Odin with the birds. Mariam, I'll show you something different. Triangle green أخضر avocado and green apple تفاح الأخضر. Red لول أحمر strawberry فراولة and red apple. Last one is أزرق blue نيلا blueberry, the most expensive fruits ever. Kids, always clean your mess like this. We can recycle, reduce and reuse. We can keep the planet clean. إذا بننظف هيك أطفال بنعمل إعادة تدوير، إعادة تصنيع، إعادة استخدام، فبنخلي الكوكب نظيف. Always help mommy to clean the house. ساعدوا ماما تنظيف البيت. After that, you should close the dustbin properly. Now, friends, the African parrots can mimic the sounds بقلب الأصوات. So listen, أنصتوا لو سمحتوا. This is our magician Mariam. Mariam, how are you keeping?
I'm fine, thank you. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening. Now, big boy, what's your name?
What is your name?
Coco, nice name. Yo, one more round. Have a seat. Have a seat. Take a seat. Hold, MC. Hold. Wait, Marlon, wait. Where is the remote control for this car? Come. Stand with it. Yeah. Let's do it one more time. Yes, sir. Thank you, Marlon. We appreciate it. Thank you, kids. Shukran, khalas. Thank you. Go back to mommy. Yeah. Then roll. The largest macaw is the highest in dark blue. The second is green wing. ثاني أكبر ماكاو صاحب الأجنحة الخضراء بس ريشه أحمر.
Wow!
Thank you, lady. Thank you, Mariam. Thank you, Ronald. شكرا جزيلا. Thank you. Constantino. من عائلة التوكان من فصيلة توكان. Yes, Rio from the cartoon move. I will show you how to feed. رح تشوفوا كيف رح تعمل هذا الطير. Then I will call gentleman. No kids for this. The bird will fly to your hand. You read 1, 2. Close your mouth. Stand here. I see your eyes. Love the birds. Yeah. Raise your hand straight. Palm like a cup. Look at me like this. Okay. Do this little here. But please, please, don't eat the bird's food. ما تاكل أكل الطير. Toucans fly only between the trees. They have a short wings. Reach up to 300 kilometers in 1 hour of speed. بتصل سرعته 300 كيلومتر بالساعة الواحدة. They hunt like a groups, not one by one. يعني لما بيصيدوا بيعملوا مجموعة فريق صيد بيجمع الفريسة مش كل طير لحاله. The species النوعية هاريس هوك. Not a falcon. هذا مش صقر. Different مختلف. South America. يلا let's fly to touch the sky one more time. And by the way, in Harris family, same the falcons family, like 42 species of Harris, 42 species of falcons, and also eagles, many species. When you talk about raptors, Africa and South America, number 1, too much species of blue-headed Amazon with Marlin, which Arsenal, Amazon parrot with Odin, which supporting Manchester United. Yalla, let's go. Who will win, DJ? Arsenal or Manchester United? Our trainer inside Manchester United for the season. 1-0 for Martin. Thank you. Come on. 1-1. Yeah. Arsenal 1. Chill there now. Ring Parrots from India have a message. Daily play sports. كل يوم يلعبوا رياضة أطفال. And always when you can. Save your money in your life like this. You can help yourself in the future. You can help mommy and daddy. Saving money is very nice to do. لما تكونوا قادرين تجمعوا فلوسكم هيك ساعدوا نفسكم في المستقبل ساعدوا ماما وبابا. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Jim. Hey, hey, hey. Go, go, go. Do you know where is he going? المحطة القادمة هي Next station is Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall. Ready to challenge? Kids, أطفال, give me any number from 1. He's counting. يا زلمة 3 plus 7. Yes. 13. Bravo, mashallah. Can you tell my friends what was the name of your school? 3 plus 7, 14. Man, you missed one. We were same class, same teacher. 3 plus 7. Kids, answer me. Equal to what? Who told you 10? Anas, tell them it's 14. 14. 10. 1. Look, he will choose 4. 3. No, 4. He's angry. He said, DJ and Firas, stop. Anas, let's ask you again. 3 plus 7, that is at 7 equal to what? You have to give us the right answer. You can see, by the way, they have a long tail. The tail can reach up to 32 centimeters. بيصل طول الديل عندهم 32 سنتيمتر تقريبا. The blue yellow macaw Anas you're watching here, he joined us before 2 months. We can say he's still under training. We show you how a great mentality they have. We call it positive reinforcement. But please, kids should be seated, please. Yalla Anus, see you want to play with the kids. Come on, big boy. Remember 393 species of parrots. تقريبا 93 نوع طيور ببغاء من ضمن 16 مكاو 16 كاكاتو. We'll bring Anas' cousin. Yalla, clap your hands, everybody. Clap your hands.
Clap.
Yalla, Anus.
Yay.
3 plus 7, huh? Easy. Show nobody. Of course, we cannot force the birds to do anything. We call it positive reinforcement. Aywa, will you clap me? Bravo! Wait. DJ Sam, after our great answers, me and you, what you should do now? Challenge. Abracadabra. Where is the ball? Lahza, you saw me and I put it down? After 5 years I will lose? What is this? Answer. Anas, where is the ball? يلا تعال. He's a magician performing our magician Marlon. Thank you Marlon. Thank you Anas. شكرا عليك always. Thank you. هلا اسمعوني listen. We will meet the only one in all UAE. راح تشوف الطير الوحيد الموجود. 11 years old, he's still young, he weighs from 5 to 6 kilograms. He will fly there to say hello to you. 11 عام بعده صغير وزنه 5 ل 6 كيلو جرام. The female always larger than the male because they're always the daddy hunting the food, mommy saving the baby from danger. الأنثى أكبر من الذكر لأنه دائما الأنثى بتحمي أطفالها من الخطر أثناء صيد الأب للطعام. Andre is the largest Steller sea eagle from Russia. Why Steller sea eagle? Because he have a bad habit. He always steal the fish from the boats or the people who fishing. It's a bad habit. But he can catch fish, small mammals, chicken, and etc. This species from Russia, this one from Russia, but we can find in Korea, Taiwan, China. In the summer they visit Japan like a big group. يعني أندري أكبر نسر بحري سارق بالعالم، سارق لأنه عنده عادة سيئة يسرق السمك من الصيادي والقوارب للأسف. بس هو بصيد السمك وثدييات صغيرة ودجاج من روسيا بس بنلاقيهم بكوريا، تايوان، الصين وبالصيف بزوروا اليابان. We're a globe, mommy or daddy adults, put your hand here and they will jump. Oh, photo by our camera. Your family can be with you. It's a super memory to take it to your home with the only one in this country. Awesome Ronnie, thank you. I'm the Giants, Masiba Bishloya. Shukran Jazilan, Baka Baka, Masalama. Wood stick, hand, shoulder, smile, relax, photo. Solo or family, شخص أو عائلة عادي. Four birds ready for the photo. Thank you, the super helpful trainers only. Normally 100, also the balance photo, 40 dirhams, and 20 dirhams. 3 photos, 40 dirhams. Eagle, it's your moment. But one thing, don't do it. Don't try to catch or touch. They will scare, they will go home. Now friends, we come to the end of this show. Let's give a big clapping to our awesome trainers. Ronald Roddy, Marlon, Mariam Roddy. Thank you for the hard work. Shukran, that's it. Exits allowed, al-khuruj mutah. Photo, food, come to the table. My name is Firas, the MC of the shows. The maestro, our DJ Sam. Thank you everybody, bye-bye. Assalamu alaikum.
आप भी कर दो बाय, इनको लोगों को बाय कर दो, जल्दी करो।